Hello beautiful beings, it's Zay. Most of you who watch my channel have locks, and I really want to share with you guys this amazing head wrap that I discovered because I feel like for me it's been really difficult to find a head wrap that is very versatile no matter what length you're at. Also, no matter what stage you're at. So before I found this though, I would use scarves that were meant for your neck and chest area. I also had this like cotton head wrap, African print head wrap, and that only lasted so long for me because I feel like with those head wraps you have a very limited way of using them, and if your hair is really long or really short, then it doesn't really fit right to your head. So I love this. This company is called WrapwithJahfya, and it's like the perfect head wrap for real, like no lie. So this head wrap is 76 inches long. Like, it is long, okay? Look. This thing is so long. I want to say it's the same height as me, for real, for real. But this is how long it is. I'm going to take it off and show you guys. And my hair has been up in this thing all night, so, and I love it. But it's very easy to put on. Okay, so this is how long the head wrap is. It is really long. It's very stretchy. It is made with polyester and spandex, and it's very soft and cozy. Super versatile. You could have short, medium, or long hair. It doesn't matter what stage you're in your locks. It doesn't matter what type of locks you have, whether twisted locks or freeform locks. You can use this thing, and it is really stretchy, like really stretchy. Hold on. So yeah, I found this head wrap on Etsy.com. I love the olive color. It's just very nice. I love green, so. But yeah, I really love the fact that it is stretchy, but it's still stable enough to hold your locks. I have been trying to find a head wrap that I can keep for a very long time, something very lightweight, something easy, versatile, stretchy enough, the right material, and this is it, okay? This is it. This is long enough. Like, I could keep this forever, and when my hair gets longer, I can use this too. You know, I don't have to change my head wrap. I can stay with the same one. Last night I slept in it, and that's a good thing too. You can sleep in it if you want. It's really protective. It's not a material that's gonna snag your hair, or you know, like cotton. I mean, cotton is good, but it's kind of drying, honestly. So this is polyester and spandex, and it's just really soft and really lightweight and so cozy. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on. I had this thing on all night, and I love how it like compresses my hair too. If you guys have like really thick locks, this is the head wrap you want to use. This head wrap is perfect for all types of locks, but I really want to hone in and say, for those of you that are freeformers, I know that it's really difficult to find head wraps for your head. You know, you want to make sure that you're protecting your hair and you don't want to just put anything on your head. So I would really recommend this, for real. Like, this is amazing. Okay, so this is how you put it on. It's a tube head wrap. So basically, you put it on over your head. So, yeah. And what I'm gonna do is just wrap it around so it's already there. Making sure to keep the ends of it flat, and you just constantly wrap it around your head. And then when you get here, you just find a space where you want to tuck it. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Man, look at this. This is so divine. This is so queenly. This is so dope. I want you guys to see the whole thing. Yeah. Dope, right? I love this. It's just so easy to put on. It's so simple, and it's just like, okay, put it on, wrap it around, I'm done. I don't have to do all this tucking. I just don't have to, struggle at all. Like, it's so easy and so simple. And I really love it. It's a everyday used head wrap. It's a head wrap that you can use to go to sleep in. They have other head wraps, of course, if you want to check that out. I love the tubular because it's just perfect for what I'm looking for in a head wrap. But they do have other options as well. So definitely go check them out. Support the Black businesses, okay? And yeah, like, I'm just happy that I found this. I'm happy that people are making head wraps for our locks, because it is a struggle sometimes to find, head wraps. So yeah, I'm gonna put their link below in the description box, and I'm gonna put our website. I'm gonna put the website and the Instagram page, and the YouTube page for Wrap with Jahfya. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you find a head wrap that is meant and tailored to your locks, to your lovely locks. Other than that, stay blessed, stay loved and light. Bye.